What's up, guys? Welcome to a new vlog. Ray here, excited to bring to you another amazing video, guys, from Kampala. Oh my days. You hear that noise behind? That is that. Alright guys, it's been a while, and you know what? I decided to show you around. I am staying at this beautiful place here in Kampala, Uganda. But before we do all that, guys, you already know, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Let's go. Let me show you around while I am checking out. So this is the entrance. From outside, you got a beautiful couch, beautiful sofa. I love chilling here. I've been reading this book. Lovely. Money Master the Game. So I'm already packed, almost ready. We need to clean this place up. That's why I started my video. Look at that view, guys. This balcony, it has views for days. All right, I need to pack all that. I need to clean all this up here. This place is beautiful. And this one is running. I'm cooking some tea. Just turn that stove on a little bit higher. All right, so you got your kitchen area, and this, you got your fridge, sitting area, you got your telly up here. And once you pan this way, you got your toilet area, washing area, and your toilet and shower, of course. Beautiful place in Kampala, Uganda. Oh my God, and this is the bedroom. I need to make this bed. Yes. All right. A little bit in a hurry today because I need to check out in less than 30 minutes. All right, you got your closet area this side. Spacious closet area. You got like your, they got iron board also. And yep, that is it. Beautiful area in Kampala, Uganda. Full drum roll. Let me quickly check this before I tell you guys the prices. Oh yeah, it's still going. So, beautiful area in Kampala, Uganda for just about 34 euros a day. And you get these views, guys. This place is called Naalya. You got your own front gate. It is a safe area, a really relaxing area. Once you find yourself in Kampala, I'll leave the details down below. The name of this place from Airbnb, I got it from, and the price around February. Because I'm here right now as I'm recording this, it's in February. So beautiful plant out here. All right guys, that's a quick room tour or house tour from Airbnb in beautiful Kampala, Uganda.